Halo MotoGP Mania, welcome back again bareng aku Gina di Azad Media. Di video ini aku akan kasih kabar Veda di balap Moto3. Yuk langsung aja simak kabar berikut ini. Jangan sampai di skip ya.
Hujan deras, trek basah, dan sesi yang sempat tertunda hampir 1 jam, banyak pembalap memilih bermain aman, tapi tidak dengan...
It's different with it if it's an injury, but it's a really upsetting time down for Luca Romano. It's worth pointing out that Robbie actually worked with Enea Bastianini on his way to his 2020 Moto2 title, so this was a very important mechanic, much loved mechanic, a mechanic.
Sesi FP1 Moto3 di sirkuit Autodromo Internasional Ayrton Senna, Goiânia, akhirnya dimulai setelah genangan air yang berbahaya berhasil dibersihkan. Trek masih licin, penuh risiko, dan jadi ujian pertama bagi semua rider. Namun hanya butuh waktu 8 menit bagi Veda untuk membuat pedok mulai melirik. Dengan catatan waktu belum sempat mengatur ritme, posisi teratas kembali direbut oleh pembalap Inggris.
It was on the line, but I think it would have been maybe a tad harsh to give Almanza a penalty, but there was a very fine line between what he did and then stepping over the mark.
Yeah, I think I called it live as saying it was on the limit, and I've not seen anything since then to change my mind on that. I would not have wanted to see a Moto2.
Memasuki menit ke-15, Veda belum menyerah. Ia kembali menunjukkan taringnya dengan naik ke posisi kedua, mencatatkan 1 menit 38,073 detik. Performa ini menunjukkan satu hal penting. Veda bukan hanya cepat sesaat, dia mampu beradaptasi dengan kondisi trek yang terus berubah. Namun tantangan sebenarnya datang setelahnya. Saat sesi memasuki 20 menit, posisi Veda turun drastis ke peringkat 11. Trek mulai membaik, para pembalap lain menesa. Dengan waktu 1 menit 33,525 detik, ia mengambil alih posisi dengan 1 menit 32,812 detik.
Some front row placings.
Yeah, if you look at the results for Buchanan over in Thailand, it doesn't read too much, but I spoke to Buchanan after the race on Sunday, and he said he had a technical issue on the opening lap. The bike basically cut out at turn 3. He did manage to get it back going again, but obviously he was...
Ini bukan sekadar FP1. Ini adalah sinyal bahwa Veda punya kecepatan mental dan potensi untuk bersaing di level depan Moto3. Jika tren ini berlanjut ke FP...
So guys, track walk, yes or not? Track walk, yes or not?
Swim walk, swim track swim.
Track swim?
Track swim. Not track walk, track swim, no?
No, nice.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Yeah.
Ready for Saturday?
Yes. Siempre listo.
Por aquí, por el palo.
Mechanic, much loved mechanic, a mechanic with good track record.
It was on the line, but I think it would have been maybe a tad harsh to give Almanza a penalty, but there was a very fine line between what he did and then stepping over the mark.
Yeah, I think I called it live as saying it was on the limit, and I've not seen anything since then to change my mind on that. I would not have wanted to see a Moto3 victory change hands for a move like that, because ultimately, as you say, Max Keyless did get up the inside in the end. There was a width of a Pirelli front tyre to go through. Max Keyless found that gap.